Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been quite a while since we've done a PC build, but let's just jump right into it. Today we have my first Ryzen build. I've been waiting forever to build one of these systems. The parts we'll be using for this build are an RTX 2060, a B450 Tomahawk Max from MSI, a Ryzen 3600x, 16 gigs of RAM from G.Skill that are the Trident Z series RAM running at 3200 MHz. And for storage, all this client wanted was a 120GB boot drive and a 240GB storage drive for Warzone. Powering this beast, we'll be using a 550W 80 plus gold power supply from Corsair. Now we'll be throwing all this inside a Corsair Carbide 275R case. And there's also some 140mm fans from Noctua, but that's not really that exciting. Okay, you can stop typing that comment right now telling me that I plugged the CPU fan into the system fan header. And yes, I plugged it into the correct header after this shot. So here's some footage of me playing Warzone with no sound and all of my keybinds messed up.
Battle Royale.
Now overall, the temperatures were okay for this budget build, but in the future I would suggest to get a better cooler if he wants to do some overclocking, like a Hyper 212 Evo or something. I hope you guys enjoyed this build. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.